We started this project January 1, 2018, and we're going to be implementing it into 2023. And when I say into 2023, there's going to be changes after the launch that we continuously work on. But this project was so large, there is not one person that works for our company that did not touch this project. I'm talking from engineering to technicians to product to the marketing team to the finance team to the pricing team. And we just didn't bring another product to the market that was same as what we did before, but just rebadge it. We've decided to take this as an opportunity to redesign our product. There's three things: bring features and benefits that the other competitors are not bring the smallest system in the industry from a size perspective, because we know that's important, and then also bring a very cost-effective system.